Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about how to go into the Gen 4 monitor and set up a quick button to swap our languages from English to one of the multiple options we have. With a lot of migrant workers on the farm now, this will come in handy where guys need it in tractors and they can just hit one button, swap it from English to, most commonly around here will be Spanish, but like I said, there's multiple options on how to go in here and change the language. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit our menu button, go to system, and go to language and units. And here you can see our active language is English, and then down here we have an alternate. So like I said, most commonly around this part we'll do Espanol, but if you scroll through this list, you can see there's all kinds of options. So I'm going to change our alternate language to Espanol. I'll hit OK. So here, after I do that, I can actually hit the swap language button and it'll swap the display for me. But as you can see, there was multiple steps to get in there and find that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add a shortcut bar option here. That way you can see at the bottom, you can just hop in and out of the tractor and swap it as you want. So I'm going to hit save, and then I'll go to applications. Then I'll find my layout manager. And I'm going to go to shortcut bar. I'm going to hit the pencil button. So here I'm just going to remove one of these shortcuts, and then add a shortcut, and go to system, language and units, and I'm going to add. So hit save, exit out of that, exit out of that. So now you can see down here I have this shortcut button that says Espanol on it. So if I get in the cab and I have a migrant worker that's going to jump in and he prefers the display to be in Espanol, all he has to do is hit this button and the display will swap over. It goes through a reboot process and then it'll swap over to that alternate language. So we'll go ahead and do it. So now we can see the display has gone through its reboot process. You can see obviously the display is now in Espanol, so I can hit my accept button again. Everything looks very similar, but just all the wording and references is going to be in Espanol. So I can swap through my run pages, and then like I said, if somebody gets back in the cab and they want to swap it back to English, all they have to do is go down here and hit this English button, and then hit the reboot, and then it'll go through a reboot process again.